Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on Discord that makes finding transferred videos in chat a breeze. If you've ever struggled to locate a video shared in a busy chat, you're in luck. Let's jump right in. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your servers and chats. Next, navigate to the chat or server where you want to search for your media. Whether it's a private message or a bustling server, this feature works seamlessly in both. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a search bar waiting for your input. Click on it to get started. Here's the magic part. In the search bar, type has video. This simple command filters the results to show only video files shared within that chat or server. It's a powerful tool that saves you from scrolling through endless messages just to find that one clip. Once you hit enter, you'll see all the videos that were transferred in that chat. From hilarious memes to important information, all your video files will be right there, organized and easy to access. That's it. Now you can effortlessly find any transferred videos on Discord thanks to this handy search feature. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating your favorite apps. Happy chatting, and see you in the next video.